welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing and setting up my brand new Apple Watch SE. I decided to treat myself for my birthday. I turned 25 on the 5th of March. I don't look it, I must admit. If I do look it, then great. But I decided to treat myself to a Apple Watch. To be honest, at first I honestly thought, what is the point in them? I don't get it. I don't care for answering calls and texts on my watch all. And then I realised it was more to do with like the fitness and wellness side. And recently I have been getting into Couch to 5k. I just want to be more healthier. I want to be able to say run a 5k without struggling. I honestly couldn't run for 2 minutes straight without struggling. Now I'm like almost halfway through doing my Couch to 5k and stuff, and I've really been enjoying it and I really like running. So I wanted something that was going to help motivate me, track all my fitness and stuff. I do obviously have an iPhone, but with the health app I don't like it. Whereas I know that that's most probably what I'll be using with a Apple Watch, but I have no idea. However, I wanted something on my wrist that I knew was going to motivate me, and especially with how it tells you to do all of like your fitness, or tells you to get up and tells you to walk more, and that's something that I really wanted and really needed. So I took the splurge. I didn't care for the Series 6 watch. I thought just for an extra £100 or 200 or however much more it was, I thought, no. And then I looked at the Series 3 as well, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go for the SE because I really like the idea of it. And we're going to be unboxing it together. So I am very, very excited by this. I literally have no idea about them all, and it arrived on my birthday. I was like, oh, so excited. I wanted to open it and stuff, but I was like, no, I'm going to do an unboxing video. So I went for the gold aluminium case with the pink sand sport band, which is 40 millimeters. I went for that one instead because I do have smaller wrists anyway, and I didn't want basically a phone on my wrist. But I am so excited. So it comes with the tab, and we are just gonna get it going if I can. There we go. Oh my gosh. I had to get a pink one, of course. I was like, And my wireless headphones that I've got, I don't have AirPods or anything like that, but my wireless headphones that I've got are pink. So I was like, it's gonna match. I really like this because you've got the tabs here that it pulls. So, ooh, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I'm not gonna lie, I am a bit of an Apple slut. I've got my iPhone, I've had a MacBook Air, I've got a MacBook Pro now. I've had an iPhone since I was, oh gosh, maybe like 14. So very gratefully. This is so exciting. Okay, so here they are. That's the packaging. This is the Apple Watch itself box. Very nice. And then this is the band, and I believe the charger is in this one. I'm not 100% sure. So let's open this one up. I love that they make all the packaging so easy. So easy. Ooh, she says. Ooh, I love this so much already. This is so pretty. Okay, so we have the paperwork. We have the instructions on how to attach the bands. And then we've got, oh, we have 2 different band types as well. That's really cool. So obviously for skinnier wrists and more larger wrists. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This feels amazing. Ooh. I think I might have to go for the littler one. Yeah, I'm definitely not a medium to large. I'm going to put the medium to large one back. Fortunately, I do kind of have wrists like a small child, so that's always great. Okay, I think the charger must be in the other box. Not a problem. So that is one packaging done. And then getting on to the main event. Oh, there it is. She's so diddy. Oh my gosh. Love this. And then this is where the charger is. Yeah, there we go. Wow. And this is the little charger. It doesn't come with a plug, unfortunately, but I've got many anyway, so. And then I think this comes with how to set it up, how to charge it, and then I need to download the Apple Watch app as well on my phone, of course. Tells you how to use the watch face, the digital crown, all of those bits and pieces. So lovely. It's just so satisfying. Oh yes. Trying to, and there it is. Okay, so the way that you pop these in is you literally just slot them in. So you have kind of the slot just there, and then you have the magnetic pieces, and you literally just slot it in like that. Oh my gosh, it's turned on. I'm so excited. I love this. I love new technology. Right, so I am just going to download the app real quick. This looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to open the app. Okay, bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Start pairing. Set up for myself. And then what it tells you to do is you need to put, that's me. But you need to put the Apple Watch where it has this showing. And then it says set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? I'm going to wear it on my left. Connecting to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. This is so exciting. I love this. So I've just got to agree to the terms and conditions. Signing into my account. And then it's asked me to enable or disable my route tracking, which of course I'm going to enable. Shared settings. Okay. Bold text. What is the standard? I don't want it that. I'm going to go for that one. So continue. I'm going to create a passcode, which obviously I'm not going to show. Set up activity. So these are all my details, which is all good. How many calories? I'm going to go with the lightly option first, and then I'm sure I can change it afterwards, but I don't really know. So we'll do 250 calories, 30 minutes a day. I'm going to do 45 minutes a day, and it's just asked me to add my card for Apple Pay, which is all good, which again obviously I'm not showing. So it's asking me to install all of the Apple Watch apps, which I am going to do, and then if there's any that I don't need or want, then I will delete them afterwards. So it says it's ready now, which is exciting. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Ah! It like jiggled and everything. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So this is what it looks like. Obviously I have a ring light on, so sorry. I love this. Oh my gosh. So you can zoom in and out. Oh, so you can connect to the camera as well, so I can hold it. And then there'll be a timer. That's so cool. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Literally obsessed with this. So I'm gonna go on my phone now with all the settings and just have a look. That's right, so I am just gonna go on my phone now and just sort out all of the notifications and the activities and stuff like that, and just go from there really. Just see what I actually want, what I don't want as well, etc. So there's going to be quite a bit that I don't want notifications for, of course, because my purpose for this watch is basically just going to be the health and fitness side. I know I'm saying that now, I'll most probably be like, look, I can text from my watch or something, but we'll give it time, we'll give it time. So I am literally just going to go on as it is and go from there really, but this is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm really excited to give this a go and play with, and I'm actually dressed underneath for my first run with my Apple Watch. I'm so excited because I just want my route all planned out, which is gonna be like the best thing ever, because with the Couch to 5K app, for example, this is what I've been using anyway to get into my fitness, it doesn't tell me the distance, it doesn't show me how far I've run, so I don't know if, say, I've done like at least under 3K in a run basically. So at least with my watch, I will have the app synced in and I don't have to take my phone, which is going to be bliss. It's going to be the best thing. I don't really have gym wear or hoodies or whatever with pockets that are handy for my phone, so I always have to hold it, and it's so distracting because this is going off topic, but if you know the Couch to 5K app, it's timing the run, and I always look at my phone and be like, oh my God, okay, I've got like a minute left, okay, and it's really kind of like, I don't want to get into that habit like constantly when I go for runs. So obviously I could look at my watch with the time and stuff, but that's a little bit different. It's not, you know, constantly, I'm not like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So yeah, anyway, I am going to end this video here because I'm going to go have some fun with my watch. not in the weird way, obviously. And yeah, I cannot wait. So if there's any tips and tricks, or if you've got any apps in particular that you recommend, then please do let me know down in the comments. I'd be really interested. But that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, but when you do, make sure you hit that notification bell, and then that way you'll be notified when I next upload, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video soon.